What's going on, everybody? Dalton's Garage with an update, a little show and tell video as normal. I've been picking up some free stuff, so I had to take a little tour. So let's get her done. Get this video over with. Before you watch the video, after you watch the video, get out there and find you some free stuff. It's all over the world. People want to get rid of their junk, but really it's another man's treasure. So get out there, find your own treasure. Alright, first up here we have a 1970s moped. I'm not even sure how to pronounce that or that name. Guy messaged me and said he wanted to get rid of it. I was actually putting an ad out there for free mower removal, and boom, this is what I get. Get this moped, this chainsaw here, a Makala 3516 Mac, and this pressure washer here with the bad pump I done took off. So picked up all three of them at the same place. Supposedly this was his son's moped and it was tore apart, but when we got there it was, well, it looks like it's together. Only thing torn apart is the side covers. He said it did run before he tore it apart, and he actually bought a new carburetor for it, and I just put that on today. So it's got a new carburetor. I do have it running. It actually ran right when I got it. Didn't even really do nothing to it. Well, I guess I did. I turned the fuel switch on and fired right up. Carburetor was a little, I don't know, I guess boggy, so I put that new one on it and adjusted it up. Now it runs pretty decent. Still got a lot of loose bolts and stuff on it. I'll have to go through it, but see if we can't fire it over real quick. Turn that on, pull this lever, rotate it. Wow. That's crazy right there. Who would give that away for free? I'd ask $50 for it at least. Oh yeah, and it does ride. But supposedly the motor links. No, I lost the link out of the chain riding it earlier. Walked all over that road looking for it. I found one part of it, but didn't manage to find the other part. And I think I might have lost these bolts because I found them too. But it does run and ride, but it has no chain on it because I lost the master link, well, at least part of it. So anyway, let's fire it back up. Just had to throw that out there in case you were wondering. Starts pretty dang easy. That's a steal right there. Free. I'm pretty amazed. Brake light even works. The horn works. Headlight works. Tires are good. They hold air. Nothing wrong with them. Smoke. Shut her down. Well, that's it. Can't beat that. Let's go on to the next thing. Anybody is interested in some old vintage license plates? Picked up this big old lot of them, over 100 of them. This isn't even half of them, but picked up over 100 of them, paid $1 a piece for them. Figured you couldn't go wrong. There's the 1969, 1939, all kinds of different ones. If you're interested in that kind of stuff, drop a comment down below. I'll make a separate video. I have a pretty good handful of some rare ones too I done picked out of there, so that's another find of the week. Some of you may call me a fool for this next pickup. Actually, I got this today. Paid $3 for it. I couldn't pass it up. I don't know, it's not going to run right now. It does on ether, but it's an old mower and it's about light as a piece of paper. Old pressed steel deck. It is really light. I couldn't pass it up for $3, and it came with the original owner's manual. think it's a 3.5 horsepower motor. But it's going to serve as a good piece of yard art for now. So there it is, a 20-inch high lift. Well, I see where they get high lift. That's a wild looking deck on there. It's a 20-inch rotary mower. So sweet. If you want to see some more of this, drop a comment down below. If not, we're going to move on to the next, because we got a whole bunch of stuff we done picked up this week. Anybody out there like going along for scrap picking journeys? Because we have some of that to offer here too on Dalton's Garage. Just a, I don't know, 2 days worth here. We got some nice little scores, a little ladder, another little footstool ladder there, a couple 55-gallon drum barrels, a Troy built bagger, mint condition, aluminum grill there, bunch of wood and whatnot, but it scores for sure. 89 S10 still sitting, haven't touched it yet, haven't really had time. Moving on to the mowers out here, we have maybe 2 new ones. We have this John Deere SX 95. Kind of disappointed in it. He did tell me that the rear end was shot in it, but the motor ran. Sometimes I feel like people don't know what they're doing, but this guy diagnosed it properly. This has got a, I think it's a Kawasaki motor, just like my other John Deere I have. I have a GT 275. So it's a dang good motor. It's just transmission shot in it. Might even fire up. Now, dead battery. Yeah, dead battery. That's alright, we don't need to do that. So that's sitting there for now, till we figure out something to do with it. That back plastic was about mint condition. Then I had to cut it off because it was bothering me. Unloaded it on the trailer and let it roll right into the edge of the unloaded it off the truck, let it roll down the ramps, and busted right into the trailer and broke all that fiberglass up. So kind of ticked me off because it was about mint condition, so I had to just chop it right off, make it look a little better. But you can't beat it for free. Somebody just wanted it. Actually, no, I didn't. I seen this on Facebook, somebody posted, and I was lucky enough to message first. So they also had a rototiller. Told them I'd take it too, add it to the collection, but I guess somebody already claimed it, but that's alright. And then the person that got this yard machine off of over there, guess his girlfriend had a tractor of her own sitting out in the woods, wanted it hauled out of there. This is Vanguard 14 horsepower. It's pretty much gone. Haven't even messed with it yet, to be honest with you. Now I done did it. There we go. I believe it's a Troy built. It's got the LTX 14 hydro rear end in it. Big ugly looking mower. Looks like a big red cherry or tomato. I'll go with the tomato because I don't like them. Tires are good though, so that's a plus. It's basically just a parts machine. No battery. Yeah, I pick these up all the time. This ain't nothing but a piece of junk. Good for parts. Done took a few parts off of it. Got that out of a customer's yard. Somebody I was mowing for told me to get it out of there for him if I wanted it, so I took it. And while we're at it out here, why don't we fire up the big old 500? She should fire up no problem. At least she did before. No, come on. Hit the like button. Everybody watching, hit the like button, and I guarantee next pull she'll start. Here it goes. Well, you didn't hit the like button. Go down, hit the like button, guaranteed. As long as you hit the like button and start. Probably should choke it. Maybe it's out of gas. I'm gonna give it a little gas while I pull it. Well, I'll be dang. She usually fires up. Oh, now you hit the like button. Okay. Smelling some fuel now. Alright, one more pull and I'm done. Yep, not today. Probably out of fuel anyway. Or you didn't hit the like button. Probably that. Well, I'm gonna shut the camera off here. Think of something else. I believe that's it. Till next time, till we get some more junk. Whew, I'm out of breath. Things a pain in them, you know what. Well, folks, this is Dalton's Garage signing out, unless I think of something else I found that I ain't showing you. So, get out there, find your own treasures. Everybody's trying to get rid of something that's, you know, junk to them, but a treasure to us. So, thanks for watching Dalton's Garage, signing out until next time. Whew, I need a water. Woo!